Okay, according to the manual of this engine, you can see the maximum amount of the head surface flatness that's you can use before you need to shave it. And this one says specified for 0.1 millimeter, and you can use a regular filler gauge to check that one, and a straight something to put so you know straight. But this one is not, I think, DIN specified, so I will do it again later with a steel brace that have a DIN specification, that you can actually know the correct flatness of the ruler. I mean, if the top is flat but this one is not flat, I mean, you can use this as much as you want. You don't know if it's correct or not. But I will just show you how to do. And since the head is specified for 0.1, and I don't know how straight this one is, I will actually use 0.05 in this case, and then we will see the flatness of the head. And in this manual, you will actually do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 measurements, like this one, this one, this one, this one, and this and this. I see some other engines you actually do like 9. You also add this, this, and this, because normally the engine, this is like the weak spot when you have most possibilities of differences, as I understand. And also in this one here, I'm not sure if you are supposed to measure on this side of the hole or on the other, so I will actually do 2 times here, and this, and this, and I will check this one also, because if 0.5 is straight, I think it's good to go. Here we go, 0.05. This one good, so we check on the other side of the hole. I will actually do straight over the hole also, just to be sure. This one here is not something you need to measure according to the manual, but I do it anyway. Okay, as we saw, this was 0.05, and the limitness in this one is 0.1, so I think this head is actually good to go. But I will do it again with a DIN specified stick or brace or whatever it's called, so just make sure. But I didn't have it here right now. You will do the same with the block also, and the maximum amount of the 2 together is 0.2 then. So, but this is pretty flat. I think I can use this one. I don't need to send it to machinery shop, so I'm actually very happy about this one. It's good head. Okay, I will show you how to make a correct fitment of the valves into the seats, and I believe it's called you lapping the seats with the valve. And what you do is you have the valve and you have the seat, and you put some paste on it, and this is 2 different sides of corn in the paste. So this is the first one is a little bit bigger corn, and that one will grind a little bit more and faster than compared to the fine one with the small one. And you hear the different sound when you doing the laps, because it's more, you can actually hear the grinding. And when this corn size is finished, it's done, it's more like a smooth sound you can hear, and I'm not sure the camera gonna pick it up or not. And after you done the big one, you change to the small one, of course, and then do with that one also. And then when you finish, hopefully it's sealed correctly. And I will show you how you can easily check if it's decent fit anyway. After I've done all the 4 valves in this cylinder here, you put the ignition plug inside, and then you put soap water. And the reason you have soap water because it has less tension than like only water, and the surface tension is lesser. And if the water disappear inside, go down here, it's not sealed correctly. I think this might not actually be 100% effective, but it's many people do like this, so it's good enough, I think. I already have done one, and I can show you the difference in the seats. This one is done already, and I'm not sure the camera is gonna pick it up, this one compared to this one, or maybe it does. And also, if I put this is the left one, and this is the non one, I think you can see a little bit of a difference in between these two. I'm not sure you're gonna see it with the camera, but I can see it anyway. And this one, hopefully, is the sealing correctly now. You can see many different techniques also how to do the motion with this one. You can use a stick like this that I will use, and the biggest problem for me now is that I think there's some kind of oil or something. That it means that this stick here will sliding around and dislocate from this mount from the top of the valve. So another technique you can do, if you put the you put the valve in place, and then you put like a rubber hose to the end of the valve on the other side and to a drilling machine, and then let the drilling machine do the work. Just be very, very careful when you do this, because if you have a quick drilling machine, you can actually hurt the valves and the seats, and then you have to send everything in to be resurfaced correctly, like a machine or something. But this one I have here, this is very slow machine. It's not quick at all, and it's more or less the same speed as I would do with the stick. So it's not like a drilling machine. It's more like for putting screws and stuff inside. So this is very slow, and you have backward and forward in this one also. So it's good. And I will try with this one first, and then I will change to the other one so you can see both. But you have more control with this one, but you will get crazy, because I get crazy anyway, because it's sliding off all the time, and the other one also slides off from this one, from this here, but it's still, I think, a little bit faster way. So, alright, I'll show you. We check. This is just water and soap, and this point here, I don't even have the retention spring in place, so normally I think you should have that because they will drag the valves into the seats better, but we see if it's still. Okay, almost. I can see that this one here is not 100% connected, but the other one they don't. It doesn't come anything from them. And as I said, it's not even a retention spring in place, so it's pretty good work. We just this short time we have been doing this. So all right. I will continue and seal them correctly now. Second try. And I have seal it off, and you can see nothing, absolutely nothing coming from underneath, and I have no spring or anything inside. I just put them inside like this. So okay, I'll continue with the other ones. I think this head will be a good head. I'm actually pretty happy about this one. Now all valves are lapped and in correct place, and I have checked for leakage in all of the cylinder and valves, and everyone seems to be correct fitment, so I'm very happy with this outcome. It took very long very long time, so I understand if people feel lazy doing all this kind of work, because even if it's not difficult and it doesn't really require any specific tool, it's just take a lot of time, and yeah, if you have plenty of time, do it. Otherwise maybe you can hire the work away to a professional company or something, but I actually enjoy doing this, so for me it's okay.